How to master new linguistic sounds using phonology. Have you ever wondered how some people seem to pick up new languages effortlessly? The secret often lies in phonology, the study of sounds in language. Understanding phonology is key to mastering new linguistic sounds. It all begins with phonemes, the smallest units of sound that can change meaning. For example, the sounds P and B in English differentiate the words pat and bat. Let's break down how you can master these sounds. First, you need to familiarize yourself with the phonological system of the language you are learning. Each language has its own set of phonemes, and some may not exist in your native language. This means you will need to practice to hear and produce these unfamiliar sounds accurately. One effective way to start is by developing phoneme awareness. This means training your ear to hear and distinguish individual sounds. A great method is to listen to minimal pairs, which are pairs of words that differ by just one sound. For instance, ship and sheep are excellent examples. This practice helps you detect subtle differences between sounds. Next, focus on phoneme manipulation. This involves adding, deleting, or substituting sounds in words. For example, try adding the S sound to at to create sat. This exercise helps you understand how sounds combine to form words. Articulation practice is also essential. Learn how to physically produce sounds by paying attention to where in your mouth the sound is made, how the airflow is modified, and whether your vocal cords vibrate. For instance, the difference between P and lies in voicing. The P sound is voiceless, while the B sound is voiced. Using phonological approaches can further assist you. Techniques like minimal pairs therapy help you contrast sounds that may be confusing. For example, practicing pairs like cat and bat can help you differentiate between the K and sounds. It is also beneficial to integrate phonological awareness with reading and speaking. Link the sounds you learn to letters and practice blending them from words. This reinforces the connection between spoken and written language. Naturalistic practice is another key step. Engage in real-life speaking situations where you frequently use the new sounds. Activities like reading aloud, having conversations, or playing language games can help reinforce what you have learned. Repetition in context is vital for retention. Lastly, develop metaphonological awareness. This means understanding the properties of sounds, such as whether they are voiced or voiceless. This understanding will help you grasp the phonological rules of the language you are learning. For example, if you are learning English, you would focus on its 44 phonemes, which include 19 vowels and 25 consonants. You would practice their distinct features and contrasts. If you are learning a language like Mandarin, you would spend more time on unfamiliar tones and sounds. By practicing phoneme manipulation and focusing on articulation, you can master new linguistic sounds and improve your pronunciation skills.